Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Honor. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose accessibility features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this gray switcher to activate it. After that, you need to follow all of those instructions. So I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen and hold. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on this blank area. If you wish to change placement of your screen, you can do that by swiping the other way. Then go back by clicking on this blank area one more time. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!